Welcome, everyone. Over the last few days, we explored employment legislation, work organization, relationships and ethics, and workplace safety and trends. Today's session is dedicated to revising and consolidating everything you've learned so that you feel confident and ready for your EISA. We'll go through quick recaps, scenario activities, quizzes, and answer strategy tips. Let's begin by revisiting employment. The key pieces of legislation are the BCEA, LRA, EEA, and OHSA. Remember, 1. BCEA protects basic working conditions. 2. LRA governs fair labor practices. 3. EEA promotes transformation. 4. OHSA ensures workplace safety. Employees have rights to fair treatment, safe workplaces, and representation. Employers must comply with these laws and provide fair conditions. Work is purposeful activity that creates value. This happens through teamwork, clear communication, and structured processes. Value chains transform inputs into outputs. Teamwork builds trust and ensures productivity. Meeting protocols ensure alignment and accountability. Employment contracts define the relationship between employer and employee. Policies, procedures, and codes of conduct set behavioral standards. Workplace ethics are essential, such as integrity, confidentiality, respect, and accountability. Disciplinary and grievance procedures follow due process to resolve conflict fairly. The OHSA protects employees and outlines shared responsibilities. Emergency procedures, PPE, and incident reporting keep workplaces safe. Environmental awareness promotes sustainability. Technology, automation, and digitalization shape how work is done today and in the future. The EISA, or External Integrated Summative Assessment, tests applied competence. You'll face scenario-based questions that require you to apply your knowledge to practical workplace situations. You must 1. Identify relevant legislation or principles. 2. Explain how to apply them. 3. Provide a clear, structured response. We'll now do a group activity. I'll present different workplace actions. Your task is to match them to the correct knowledge topic KT1, KT9. This will help you quickly identify which parts of your learning to draw from during EISA. Take a few minutes to complete this activity. Case: an employee is forced to work overtime without pay. Question: which legislation applies? Note: BCEA applies. The employee has the right to refuse unpaid overtime or to claim compensation. Encourage learners to outline steps. Internal Reporting Union, Department of Labor if needed. A team project fails due to poor communication. Facilitator guide. Link this to KT2. Identify the team development stage, communication breakdown, and how meetings and clear roles could have prevented the issue. EISA Prep Q. Learners must show both understanding and practical solutions. Case: an employee violates the code of conduct by sharing confidential information. Guide. Link this to KT3, KT5. Discuss which clauses are breached, how disciplinary procedures should unfold, and why ethics matter for organizational integrity. Case: an employee is injured operating a new automated machine without PPE. Guide. Link to OHSA and emerging trends. Highlight shared responsibilities, reporting procedures, training, and adaptation to new technologies. This activity reinforces key knowledge. Sample questions are: 1. Name 3 acts protecting employees. 2. List the 5 stages of team development. 3. Define ethics. 4. Explain the purpose of PPE. 5. List 3 workplace trends. This helps learners recall facts quickly under pressure. Learners now work in groups to present solutions to one of the scenarios. They must identify the relevant KT, apply legislation or concepts, and explain their reasoning clearly. Note: Use this activity to check understanding and confidence levels. When answering ESA questions, remember 1. Read the scenario carefully and identify key issues. And 2. Link to the correct KT and legislation. 3. Use structured answers. Law application outcome. 4. Keep answers clear and practical. 5. Manage your time and avoid rushing. Congratulations, you've completed your preparation for EISA. You now have the legal knowledge, practical understanding, and scenario-based skills to succeed. Trust your training, read carefully, and apply your knowledge confidently. Good luck, you've got this.